You see, when I sutured the papilla on each side,
Came together.
It kind of came together by itself. That's the best case scenario. And that was just, I didn't know that, but I made a decision to suture without addressing that. And then the way it aligned, it just came together. That's a good thing because I can then make a decision, put a suture through it or just glue it together. I didn't feel like suturing would have been too risky. If you suture small parts, you can tear the whole thing, and then you just increase the tear and the damage.
The ability to raise what you do to another level, certainly to another level.
Dr. Simon was my instructor 13 years ago at USC, and he's a great teacher.
Dr. Simon is an excellent teacher.
Without further ado, Dr. Simon, bless us with your knowledge, sir.